Hi beautiful sewing friends, it's me Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel Murrmade Designs, where this week and a little bit we are talking about 10 1-meter marvelous projects that you can do for a total of $75. Yeah, sewing is expensive. Sewing is very expensive, and there are ways to try to keep it more affordable. And one of the ways I do that is buying a meter of material and trying to make something out of it that that kind of limits your outlay. The thing about 1 meter is it's not a lot of fabric. Fabric comes in either 45 inches or 60 inches wide. And so in this 10 days, I am going to be showing you some that is 60 inches and some that is 45 inches. Often cotton, quilting cotton, comes in 45 inch widths. And I'm here to tell you and show you, you can even make a dress out of 1 meter of 45 inch cotton. Let me show it to you and then we'll talk. This is just a cute little summer dress. Did I mention how glad I am I got these cute little pink shoes? And I hope you can appreciate what gorgeous, gorgeous print is on this fabric. It is, it's called Rain Blossom, but it's basically hydrangeas in pink and purple and blue, some green leaves. So I made this out of 1 meter of 45 inch cotton. And I used, the pattern's looking a little tattered. I used NewLook 6500. I have made this dress before, and I will link that video at the end of this one. It comes with sleeves or no sleeves. You can put ruffles on the sleeves. Comes with lovely pockets, and it comes with a zipper in the back, which I put in because I don't think you could get in this without the zipper. This pattern suggested fabrics are broadcloth, brocade, chiffon, cotton types, double georgette, eyelet lace, lightweight denim, linen types, madras, I don't even know what that is, piqué, poplin, sateen, satin, silky types. Allow extra fabric for matching plaids or stripes. Required 1 20-inch zipper. Yes, so this is a cotton. This is for wovens. I just wanted to show you. This is how much I had left over after I cut it out. Nothing. I had nothing left over. I thought, oh, I'd like to make a headband. Not enough really to do that with. So anyways, that was fun. Put in the zipper went fine. I didn't have enough for the facing, so I just used purchased bias binding and finished the armholes and the neck. I tried it on before I finished the arms, which is always a good idea, and found that the arms were kind of small, so I lowered them about 1 inch before I finished them. I put the bust darts in that came as part of the pattern, but I didn't put any fisheye darts in it or anything. Just wanted to leave it looking a little more casual. It's kind of shorter than most dresses that I wear, but it is actually, I didn't shorten it any from the pattern. You can actually see in the pattern that the model that is wearing it is also finding it quite short, which I think is probably fine for a summer dress. This is a 2017 release, so probably still very easy to get if you would like to make it. And this lovely cotton I got from a company called Funky Monkey Fabrics, which is an online fabric store, and they have so many beautiful, interesting, fun prints. I was on there last night. Lots of cute things for making. I'm going to show some of them to my grandsons for making like clothes for kids. Lots of cute stuff. And I paid $15 for 1 meter of this, which you're going to say that's going to be really tough to get to $75 for 10 if you're paying $15 a meter. But yeah, some of the rest of it's quite cheap that I'm going to be showing you. So it's all going to work out just fine. So that's what we're doing. We're doing 10 1 meter Marvellous makes for $75. And this is make number 2. And something else that I need to mention is that this is day 195 of 365 sewing makes. We are just about to day 200. We will come to that day 200 in this 10 days of 1 meter Marvellous makes for $75. So I'm making a 200-day dress out of 1 meter of fabric. In my grateful thread today, something I wanted to mention, I don't know if you know, you probably all know. I am probably late to knowing, but this is Threads magazine, and my picture's still backwards. Threads magazine, the spring edition is awesome. It is so awesome. It has so many good things in this, like every page, so many awesome things. And 2 of the most awesome things that I found, well, the number 1 most awesome thing is this cover story about making a template for a pattern template with your body measurements and size that you put on top of other pattern pieces, so that when you are making stuff, you don't have to wonder, hope, keep adjusting, that you can use it and use that template whenever you sew something. So I am going to make some of those templates. And also a cover story is how to hide a zipper in a dart, either at the front or the side, when you're making a dress. I think I will also be using that. I think side zippers, who puts zippers, like, why do you put them in the back? Like, how do you get, it's so hard getting in and out. So yeah, that is my grateful thread today. So that is day 2 of our 10 Marvellous 1 meters for $75. And I hope that this inspires you to sew. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. And check out this video about this dress when I made it, when I had enough material to make pockets too.